Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your social links or your social accounts to Twitch. To do that, simply click your profile in the upper right, and from here, you want to go under settings. While under settings, you will find a tab at the top here that says channel and videos. You click there. Now, under this section here, you will find an option that allows you to add social links. As you can see at the top, it says new, add social links, allow viewers to connect with you. And so you can either click it from here or scroll down to the bottom and you will find the social link. So you can give it a name, say whatever you want. So let's say this is Instagram. I could type in Instagram and then I could put my Instagram email. So that could be Drew Tutorial as an example. Let's say that's it, right? Or Instagram.com/ whatever. You get the idea, guys, right? So I don't know exactly what's written right now, but I think it's Instagram.com/ I guess it's a username. So I'm gonna just type in Drew. So whatever it is called, you just need to find your URL for your social account and you want to add it. It could also be your website, it could be whatever it is. So what I like about this is that you can literally write whatever you want as a title and then you can fill it. And so once it is done, you can add it to your page. I want to mention as well that you want to use this HTTPS. You want to use it just like this. I'm about to show you right here. Always add the HTTPS :// on your website. This is how it's taken. So if you just have the basic www.com or for example google.com, it will not accept. It will tell you that it needs to be in this format. Once you add it, then it's done and that's it. So that's how you can easily add it. And if you look at the top now, you can see that even the text that you wanted Instagram, it adds a social link for your Instagram account right there. And that's it.